I'm student of LPP Polytechnic class of 2020. Now I want to explain a little profile and grade of the company. PT Jaya Selalu is the largest telecommunication service and network provider in Indonesia. PT Jaya Selalu also provide a variety of communication service. Others include telephone network, interconnection service, multimedia, data and service related to internet communication, satellite transponder rental, circuit subscription, and play television. 2014 to 2015, there is still a decrease in profit, but the decline profit has increased again from the previous year. This year, there may have begun to be interest in having the phone because many people who work or study far from home locations, so that needing communication with family is the right choice for cellular phones. The decrease in profit was 2.1%. 2012 to 2013, there was another decline. The possibility for the needs of electronic device such as cellular phone is still lacking interest, and for the sellers are not good in marketing. The profit decrease. The time is 5.2%. 2011 to 2012, there was another decrease in profits at the phone company cellular. A decrease due to economic constraints in the year. Many people often think it's the better from the money for self needs first. The decline in profit was 5.3% worse than a year ago. 2010 to 2011. In 2010 to 2011, the percentage of cellular phone profits fell from 23.3% to 20.1% due to the lack of enthusiasm from the phone cellular. The decline was around 3.2% of profit from sales in 2010. In 2013 to 2014, there was still a decrease in profit, but the decline has decreased from the last 3 years. Here, the owners of the company and its sellers have changed to sales system. For the decline in profit this time around 2.9%. Information service are business model developed by Jaya Selalu in the realms of new economy business or NEB. This service has characteristics as an integrated service for ease of work process and transaction that include value-add service. Telecommunication is part of Jaya Selalu legacy business. The company's business, telecom, serve a landing connection, not move plan ordinary telephone service or POTS, wireless telephone, increasable data communication service, broadband, satellite, rental network, and interconnection. Selalu Group also provides various services in information, media and entertainment fields, including cloud-based and SaaS-based management service, e-payment service and IT enablers, e-commerce and other portal service. 2015 to 2016, there was an increase in profit from the phone company. This year, many people have bought the phone because it is more practical to communicate with family or relatives than to send the letter. Now, we will see a graph of the company from 2010 to 2016.